I don't know the name though, but that was like an old city.
The old city.
Dubai.
Yeah.
And then I realized that all this old stuff has been reserved, well kept,
conserved,
designed, and looking at our own castles and then stuff that we have in Ghana, you see some, historical buildings, and barely you can find animals in there. For example, we have one fort at Abanze called Amsterdam, Fort Amsterdam. It's in a very bad shape. We have one at Nomabo called Fort Williams. It's in a very bad shape. And I don't know why Dubai choose to keep such things, that we feel that these things are old. It doesn't mean anything to us. Why do you think that they are keeping such stuffs in good condition?
They are doing that because they don't want to forget their past.
Yes.
And I'll tell you this, Richard. See, a man or a nation that leaves their past or forgets their past has no future. You have no futures. Now, maybe our kids can't even tell how we gain independence or who helped to gain independence in Ghana. So they are just there. They're just there. And the TV will educate them on other people's culture, other people's history, which is not good for us. So we have to keep these things. So the reason why Dubai is keeping these old structures is because they want people to know where they are coming from, right? Where they are now and where they seek to get to in future.